Now we are going to do outer product of vector in R cube. That is, if vector x is x1, x2, x3 and vector y is y1, y2, y3 are vectors in R cube. Their outer product is denoted by vector x cross vector y and is defined as vector x cross vector y is equal to x1, x2, x3 cross y1, y2, y3. That is, we can find it out as, we will write here x2, x3, y2, y3, comma, x3, y3, x1, y1, that is determinant, and x1, y1, x2, y2, that is determinant. That is in cyclic order. If we have to find the first place, we should start x2, x3, then second x3, x1, then x1, x2, and we get x2, y3 minus x3, y2, comma, x3, y1 minus x1, y3, comma, x1, y2 minus y1, x2. So since x and y are vectors and their outer product x cross y is also a vector. So it is called vector product. It is also known as cross product, or it is also known as vector multiplication. So it was all about the vector product of two vectors. Now the next is properties of outer product. The first one is x cross y is equal to minus y cross x, that it is not commutative. X cross x is always 0. And the third one is vector x cross scalar multiplication of vector y with k gives k times vector x cross y, which is also equal to k times x cross vector y. That is a vector product of two vectors. Number 4, x cross vector y plus z is equal to x cross y plus x cross z. So number 5, x cross vector 0 is equal to 0 cross vector x is equal to 0. So now the next is difference between inner and outer product of vectors. So first is inner product is a scalar quantity, while outer product is a vector quantity. So number 2, inner product is defined in R square as well as R cube space, while outer product is not defined in R square. Third, inner product is commutative, while outer product is not commutative. That is, x dot x is equal to mod x square and x cross x is 0. Now we will discuss some problem which is based on outer product, that is done in next lecture. Now we are going to solve problems which are based on outer product, that is find x cross y where vector x is 1, 3, minus 2 and vector y is minus 2, 1, 5. So the solution is x cross y, that is 1, 3, minus 2 cross minus 2, 1, 5, that is x2, x3, y2, y3, y3, x3, x1, y3, and y1, and x1, x2, and y1, y2. So we get 15 minus of minus 2 is plus 2, comma, minus 2, 4, 1 into 5, that is minus 5 here, 1 into 1 is 1, minus 2 is 3, minus 6, and minus is plus 6. So we get 17 minus 1 and 7. This is the outer vector product of two vectors. Now the second one, if vector x is equal to 2i plus j minus 3k and vector y is equal to 3i minus 2j plus k, find modulus of vector x cross y. Now the solution is x cross y, that is 1 minus 3 minus 2 and 1, comma, minus 3, 2, 1 and 3, comma, determinant 2, 1, 3 minus 2, comma. So on solving this, we get x cross y is equal to 1 minus 6 minus 9 minus 2 minus 4 minus 3, that is minus 5 minus 11 and minus 7. So its magnitude is under root minus 5 square, that is 25, 11 square, that is 121, plus minus 7 square, that is 49. That is under root 195. So these are the problem related to outer product.